Hi everyone, I'm Evelyn, and today we're going to learn how to say the letters of the alphabet in French. It's not as hard as you might think. Let's jump right in. In French, we have the same 26 letters as in English, but the pronunciation can be a little different. So, let's go through them one by one.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Did you know? Some letters in French sound a little different than in English. For example, the letter H is always silent in French, and R is pronounced in the back of the throat, so it's a bit tricky for English speakers at first.